planning a trip to India, or just curious about Indian money? In this video, I'll walk you through everything you need to know about Indian currency, from coins to colorful banknotes, so you're never caught off guard while shopping or traveling. India's official currency is the Indian rupee, symbolized as Rs and coded as INR. Rupee notes and coins are issued and regulated by the Reserve Bank of India. Now let's look at what you'll actually be using during your visit. Let's look at the coins: 1, 2, 5, 10 and 20 rupees. These are lightweight, metallic, and have both Hindi and English text on them. You can also find images on the back of coins such as symbol of lion capital of Ashoka pillar. Now let's talk about the banknotes. Paper bills are rupees 10, 20, 50, 100, 200, 500 and 2000. Indian currency is known for its bright colors and features of Mahatma Gandhi on the front of every note. Each note has a unique size and color, and most importantly, they include security features like watermarks, microtext, and see-through registration marks to prevent counterfeiting. Let's go into the details of one of the bills. You can visit the RBI website to check the details. The first is see-through register in denominational numerals. Second is a latent image of the denominational numeral. The number in Devanagari script. Next is the portrait of Mahatma Gandhi at the center with Bharat in Hindi and India written on it in micro letters. Windowed security thread with Bharat in Hindi and RBI written on it. The color of the thread changes from green to blue when the note is tilted. Next is the governor's signature with a promise clause and guarantee clause, and RBI emblem on the right side of Gandhi's image. Next is the electrotype watermark of Mahatma Gandhi. The number panels with numerals growing from small to big are on the left top and right bottom sides. The Ashoka pillar is an emblem on the right, triangular identification mark with microtext 100, 4 angular bleed lines are on the right and left sides. Now let's look at the reverse side of this bill. The year of printing of the note is written on the left, followed by the Swachh Bharat logo and slogan. The language panel is at the center, which covers the major languages spoken across India. Each bill has a different historical picture of Indian heritage, and finally, the denomination numeral in Devanagari script. Let's look at the reverse side of each bill. The 2000 note has a picture of Mangalyaan. Mangalyaan is India's first Mars mission, achieving orbit in 2014 on its maiden attempt. The 500 note has an image of Red Fort in New Delhi, built by Emperor Shah Jahan, is a symbol of India's Mughal heritage. The 200 bill has an image of the Sanchi Stupa, an ancient Buddhist monument in Madhya Pradesh built by Emperor Ashoka. The 100 bill has an image of Rani Ki Vav, is a carved stepwell in Gujarat built by Queen Udayamati. The 50 rupee bill has an image of Hampi, is a UNESCO World Heritage Site in Karnataka, known for its ancient temples and ruins. The 20 rupee bill has an image of Ellora Caves in Aurangabad, Maharashtra, feature rock-cut temples representing Buddhism, Hinduism and Jainism. And finally, 10 rupee bill has an image of Sun Temple, Konark in Odisha, dedicated to the sun god. That's your complete guide to Indian currency. Coins, notes, to travel to India. If you found this helpful, give it a like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you've had any interesting experiences with currency abroad.